Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I am creating a quick weave, finger wave, ocean wave with a leave out with a pop of color. So guys, stick around to the end. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section below and I'll be sure to handle it. Just watch and take away what you can from this video. It's not every video that I do is like a full-on tutorial. You'll be able to just, grab a couple of, pieces from it. Just a couple of gems that you can use within your own technique. Not every video that is a full-on tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy. Welcome to all the new subscribers. If you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel, I do how-tos, tutorials, unboxings, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and we'll love on you over here. Now, if you're new to my channel and you are wondering what the heck am I doing, I am doing a quick weave. I am adding in pops of color, but if you want to know how to do a quick weave full-on tutorial, I have plenty of videos on my channel that you can go back and search and look, and you'll find plenty of videos on how to do a quick weave. All you need is the basics. And like I said, just take away what you can, add it to your technique, and make it your own. So right here, I am closing it up. If you want to know how to do a quick weave closure, very detailed on my channel, you'll find plenty of videos. Just go back, search through my channel, see what you can find, and add it to your technique. So in the beginning of the video off camera, I added 27 pieces at the bottom, maybe about 5 or 6 tracks. Excuse my voice, guys. It's very early in the morning, and this is that morning voice. I hate it, but I got to get this video out to you guys. So now I'm just sectioning out the leave out. Mostly all the red will be left out, and I will cut that later on. I am trimming the longer pieces so I can begin the ocean waves. If you have any comments, just leave it in the comment section below. I'll be sure to handle it for you. And drop me a like. Leave me, give me a heart. Show me some love. Get me out there in the algorithms, guys. I've been working hard for you guys all through the year. 1 year down on YouTube, and I'm enjoying myself so far. So, guys, leave me a heart because my heart is with all you guys. Mwah. This style lasts for a really long time. And when she goes under the dryer and it's completed, it's going to be basically rock hard. It's not going to look rock hard, but it will be hard to where she can wear this style looking really nice for at least 2 weeks. Don't worry about the amount of gel that's being used. It's really just to have the style set in place for a really long time. This hair was so silky, guys. I used Hold-In Spray, and I also used Iso Plus Sheen Tea Tree to hold the shine. Yep, you're going to need a little Hold-In Spray to hold the curl in place at first, but look at it, it's beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next one. I have a lot of great stuff for you guys this month, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.